Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to build momentum in life. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. If you want to build momentum in life, that's really, a key factor towards having a successful life. Whether that's momentum in one area or another, that's completely up to you. But building momentum is a key factor in having a successful life, and basically having the life that you sort of want and you've always dreamed of. You got to have some momentum and you got to build that momentum. So I wrote down some notes. I'm going to sort of go through the notes along with telling you a little bit more about each portion as I sort of read it. So it's going to be sort of back and forth of me looking over here and just sort of talking off the top of my head, but you're going to get the idea. So basically, the first thing you got to think of is that you have to focus on small wins first, okay? So if you're starting, from nothing, you're starting with no momentum, right? You got to focus on those small wins, okay? And even if you're starting with a little bit of momentum, you got to focus on wins that are just slightly bigger than where you are currently at. Think about it like that. So if you're starting with no momentum, focus on those small wins. Like the wins might be tiny, but focus on those small wins, no matter how small they are. That's if you're starting with no momentum. And if you already have a bit of momentum, but you want to build more, then you got to focus on small wins compared to where you're at. So like if you're here, the small win would be just incrementally higher than where you're at, okay? So focus on small wins just means basically focus on a tiny little achievement that's slightly higher than where you're at, okay? And basically you need to keep this in mind. The thing you need to keep in mind is to be consistent with your efforts. In order to get those small wins that are incrementally higher or better than where you're at, you got to be super consistent with your effort. You can't be half in, half out. You got to be consistent. You got to be putting forth the time and effort every day, every hour, every minute, whenever you can. You can't be having days off because that's going to cause you to, lose your momentum. You got to be super consistent with your effort. Those first wins, those small wins, small compared to where you're at, just slightly higher or bigger than where you're at. Those first wins are probably going to be really, really difficult and really, really hard to achieve, okay? Because you're trying to get above where you're at right now. If you have no momentum, you're trying to start with a tiny win. And if you have some momentum, you're trying to start with a win that's a little bit higher than where you're at with regards to where you're at with your momentum. They're going to be hard to achieve. So you got to be consistent with your efforts in order to achieve them, okay? Now, the small wins will hopefully lead to bigger ones. So that's the idea. When you get those small wins, you're hopefully going to move into the bigger wins. So the small wins are sort of like the precursor to the bigger wins, okay? And basically, what you're trying to achieve is the snowball effect. You're trying to achieve the snowball effect, which is that, the wins are going to be bigger, right? You're trying to get the small wins to move to the bigger wins, and those bigger wins to move to even bigger wins, and those even bigger wins to move to even bigger wins beyond that, okay? And the bigger ones will become easier. That's the idea. At first, if you're trying to get to win at this level and you're over here, right? It's going to be really difficult. So what you do is you get a small win, and that makes it easier to get to a bigger win, and that makes it even easier to get to this level of winning, okay? So you're trying to snowball, okay? And the idea is that you get some small wins, okay? And then you're like, okay, we're ready to get some bigger wins. You get some bigger wins, and you're like, okay, let's keep going. You get some even bigger wins. It becomes easier. It should hopefully, likely become easier to get those bigger wins, okay, as you get the smaller wins. So you're trying to create this snowball, which is the snowball keeps rolling and gets bigger and bigger and bigger. So in order to get this big snowball, you got to start with a small snowball. Those small wins are your small snowball. And then you keep letting that snowball roll into bigger wins. And you keep letting that snowball roll into bigger wins. And letting that snowball roll into bigger wins, and so on and so forth, okay? And you have to understand this. This is a key factor. It probably won't be straight upward in terms of like your momentum. It's probably, and it might be reversed how you're looking at this, right? But it's probably not going to look like this straight upward, okay? But it's going to be upwards trending. That's hopefully what's going to happen. So it's probably not going to look like this, small win, bigger win, bigger win, bigger win, bigger win. Probably not going to look like that. That would be ideal, but that doesn't really happen in life most of the time. But what it's going to look like is you're going to be going up, right? Bigger wins, and then something might happen that brings you down a bit. But then you keep going up, build some more momentum, something might happen that brings you down a bit. Keep going up. So it's going to be like upwards trending. That's the idea, okay? And that's how you build momentum. You got to start small with your wins, work your way to bigger wins, snowball effect. Make them bigger and bigger and bigger. And eventually you're going to have momentum. You're going to feel unstoppable. You're just going to be like, I can accomplish anything, because you've proven yourself to yourself so many times over by creating this big snowball. So you're going to feel like I can literally accomplish anything. But anyways, that's it. That's how you build momentum. Hopefully you like the video, and I've got nothing else to say. So with nothing else to say, we're going to roll the outro for this specific video. So without further ado, here's the outro for this specific video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.